So here in this video, we will look at how to enable desktop icons in Fedora 44 GNOME desktop. And for this, first we need to install an app called gnome-extensions-app. And after installing the app, open your web browser first and then search for desktop icons ng. And then go to this website GNOME shell extensions and make sure you are in the desktop icons ng page. And then click on this install button. And then click open link and click install. Okay, so desktop icons already been added after we install the extension, and if you want to manage the extension, go to this extensions app and here's our extension. It's already been turned on, and if you want to manage the extension, you can go to settings from here. And we also have the right click menu on the desktop, but something missing here is the option to create a new text document, and we will fix that as well. And for that, first open your file manager and go to the templates folder in your home directory, and then right click and select open in console, and here create a new text file called new file.txt using the touch command. And now if we right click anywhere in the file explorer or desktop, we will have this new document option to create a new text file. So that's how we add desktop icons to GNOME desktop. In the next two videos, we will look at how to add the taskbar to GNOME desktop, as well as we will look at how to enable minimize and maximize buttons. And you will find those two videos in the description.